You guys see my screen?
Yes.
Okay.
All right, ready?
I am ready.
Okay, cool. Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Jonas Tedeschi. Imagine this. You are an avid tennis player and you've been eager to play competitive tennis, but you're having trouble meeting other like-minded people. The solution? We Can Racquet. It's a scheduling app sort of like Meetup, except with this, players won't have a hard time finding competition within their area and connect through the sport of tennis. We used Java's Spring framework for our backend and vanilla JavaScript, HTML, and CSS for our front end. Our app is a single-page application developed for mobile interface. This app allows for users to register, challenge other players of similar skill levels, play matches, and keep track of our historical scores.
Okay, hello, my name is Eddie. So let's say you're a new player. First thing you're going to want to do is register, and you'll do that by clicking the new player button right here. You'll add your name. So let's say my name is Fred, my email, and then my phone number. Click add player to add myself to the database. And for now, we have a drop down for ease of demonstration. We'll select Fred from our dropdown, click submit to go into his automatically generated profile page. It displays your initial rank, which everyone starts at the lowest rank at first, which in this case is 3.0. Got an automatically generated image here for now with some basic profile information. Now, we registered because we want to challenge people. So our first step is going to be to challenge someone. To choose someone to challenge, it might be a good idea to choose someone weaker than us. So in this case, we can look at our historical match history throughout the site. We see on each row the record of a match. So in this case, Arlene has beat Ricky in a match with this score. So, so Ricky, we see he's lost this one. If we scroll down, Ricky lost again. He's on a losing streak, it looks like. So we're going to want to challenge him. Seems like a good player to challenge to pad our score. So we'll go to our profile, click the players in league button. We find that he is in our league, and we can click the challenge button. Now, normally there'd be an alert that would pop up. We didn't quite implement that yet, but you can see our console log shows that the challenge button is indeed working.
Hello, my name is Anish, and I will be covering the challenge and add record section. So since Ricky has been challenged, we can go back and log in as Ricky to see his profile. And in the challenge tab, we can see that there is two challenges, one from the new player that we just sent and one from Pedro. Since we don't know anything about the new player, we want to decline the challenge. So when we hit delete, it deletes the challenge. But we do really want to beat Pedro. So we hit accept challenge. Doing so will bring up a pre-populated form, and we can send the message to schedule a meet time and then play tennis. Let's say we meet up and then we finally, Ricky finally beats Pedro in an upsetting 6-0, 6-0 score. Once you beat someone, the winner comes back and adds the record. To add the record, you go to Pedro's row and click on add record. Here you can input the scores, 6-0, 6-0. And then once you hit submit, we can check that the record has been added by going into records tab. And as we can see, the record has been added at the very bottom. Alternatively, we can also check the same thing by going at the very top and clicking on matches tab again. And as you can see Ricky's victory over Pedro's.
Hello, my name is Abdul Karim. We searched for an opponent last time using the match history live feed. Another way to find a suitable opponent might be to make use of our guest view feature. Imagine you are Chelsea and looking for an opponent in your league. You think Alex Nathan someone like who can play tennis? So you click on their name to find out more about them. In a guest view, we can see their basic information, including the match history. In this case, we see Alex Nathan is on a losing streak, so we definitely wanted to challenge him. We can also keep clicking on other players to see their profiles. That covers most of the functionality of our app, centered around playing competitive tennis, allowing users to challenge friends, keep score, and meeting new people.
Hi, my name is Luke Ateria. This project was a big one for us. What allowed us to keep on track was making heavy use of our project board on GitHub. The board allowed us to organize tasks and keep one branch focused on one specific task. We faced some challenges, but overcome them by playing to our strength as a team. For example, some of us are stronger in front end and some of us are stronger in back end. So any back end issues were sent back to and back end team, allowing us to move the project forward without delay. Thank you all for attending. We appreciate your attention this afternoon. And this conclude our presentation. We can rack it.